The Larson Electronics temporary power distribution system converts single-phase 480-volt AC electrical current into single-phase 120 or 240-volt AC. This unit provides operators the ability to safely tap into and distribute 480-volt AC power from a variety of sources, including generators and direct grid power. The power distribution system is constructed of steel with a polyester powder-coated blue finish for durability against dirt, moisture, and mild corrosion. The transformer and load center distribution assembly is mounted to a standard steel cart-style frame, resulting in an extremely stable, durable, and mobile power distribution platform. Two inflatable run-flat tires in the rear on this cart-style mounting platform provides easier substation mobility. This temporary power distribution system solution can be modified to meet the needs of job site receptacle requirements. All equipment is NEMA 4X rated for indoor and outdoor use and provides a degree of protection against dirt, water, and ice. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.